Of a picturesque village, amidst green meadows and golden fields, lived a small red tractor. Although smaller than other tractors in the area, it stood out for its energy and constant desire to work. Despite its small size, the little red tractor was full of enthusiasm and always ready for action. Every morning, as soon as the first rays of sunlight illuminated the farm, a little red tractor drove out of the garage. He loved the fresh morning air and the sound of nature waking up. His first task was always to visit the hen house, where he would use his trailer to collect freshly laid eggs. After the morning chores, it was time for real challenges. Today, the little red tractor was tasked with plowing the field for new seeding. With energy and precision, he attached the cultivator and headed out into the field. Although the task was demanding, the tractor coped admirably, leaving behind evenly plowed furrows that looked like carefully laid lines in the field. Its precise work meant that the soil was perfectly prepared to receive the seed, ensuring a bountiful harvest next season. The little red tractor worked tirelessly, and its energy and commitment were unmatched. When it was finished, the field looked like a work of agricultural art, ready for the next stages of cultivation. In the evening, as the sun began to set, the little red tractor returned to the garage. He was tired but happy, knowing that he had helped with many important tasks on the farm. Before going to sleep, he looked out at the fields, which, thanks to him, were now tidy and activity on the vast farm, where fields stretched to the horizon. It was a show day, and the main hero of the event was a large modern tractor, which was to show off its impressive capabilities. The tractor, gleaming in the morning sun, drove out of the garage. Its powerful wheels were about to cross the field, and the spectators gathered nearby watched in amazement. The machine, new and shiny, reflected the sun's rays, creating gleaming reflections on it. The tractor was the pride of the farm, equipped with the latest technology that made field work much more efficient and less tiring. Several tasks awaited it in the field. The first of these was to evenly distribute the hay. The tractor turned on a special device that began to rotate at an impressive speed, scattering the hay across the entire surface of the field. The sight was spectacular. Hay was floating in the air, creating golden cascades in the summer wind. Its engine roared with a deep, resonant sound that echoed off the surrounding hills. Every movement was smooth and precise, and its powerful wheels easily overcame uneven terrain. The tractor then set about its next task. It attached a large, heavy straw baler and began to form huge bales. As the tractor slowly moved forward, its engine roared with a deep, resonant sound that echoed off the surrounding hills. Its every movement was smooth and precise, and the powerful wheels easily overcame the uneven terrain. The baler worked efficiently, and the straw bales came out one after another, even and perfectly shaped. The tractor, moving across the field, precisely arranged the bales in long rows, ready for transport. Finally, the tractor had to transport the bales to the warehouse. Maneuvering with precision, he drove up to each bale, lifted it with a special handle and loaded it onto the trailer. When the trailer was full, the tractor headed for the warehouse, leaving a tidy field behind. Onlookers, both children and adults, watched the whole process with bated breath. The tractor, despite its powerful build, moved with grace and precision, showing how much can be done with one machine. It was a day full of impressions and emotions. The tractor, the hero of the farm, showed its extraordinary skills, performing work with precision and grace that no one expected. It easily coped with every task, and each operation was a demonstration of modern agricultural technology and engineering.